What other people respond to. We want a certain priest, we want a certain bishop, certain pope, we want a certain preacher, we want a certain kind of music, we want a certain kind of setup. Pag hindi aircon, hindi kami magsisimba doon. Father, harap kami ng aircon ng church. And then, we become fragmented. And when new people come to our church, they see a fractured church community. Will you stay in a divided, fractured, fragmented community? It will be hard. Now, I'm not asking, no one is asking for a perfect church. Para sa heaven lang yun. But you see and you feel when a church and its members, even if they are different, are also humble enough to try and make it work. At the end of the day, what the Lord needs from us is humility and openness. The only way we can be a united church is through humility and openness to each other. That and nothing more. Then perhaps we will see more light in our church community. Tignan niyo nga yung katabi, mukha ba siya lang may liwanag? Father, nagdilim ang paningin ko. Father, may utang to sa akin, iisa ko. Mga kapatid, tandaan natin, light is already with us. We are bathed in God's light. All we need to do is to open ourselves in humility and availability, and our lives can be more brightened by His light. Amen.